Hi, how to capture parties' information like industry segment, turnover information in simpliRP ERP. Go to Edit a Company, Detailed. Click on link for entering segment, turnover of party. Here in the list you can filter the data also. You can enter the details of party like industry segment, turnover in millions, date of incorporation of party, last inspection date done by you, from which date party is registered with you. Then click Update Change. Likewise, you can enter for all the parties and update. simpliRP ERP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Thank you.